video is gonna be really stupid, dude.
Your best video yet. I guess that's not saying much.
Okay, welcome to the worst channel on YouTube. Same content, different title. Same tricks, different title. Same video, as always.
In a world of chaos, since the beginning of time, the most dangerous journey is the one that leads you deep into the human heart. The only companion you can trust is courage. The reward? Power beyond the wildest dreams.
Hey guys, Dale here. We're doing a pop-up at Common Thread, March 18th, 1 to 3 p.m. See you there!
Hello, Skate YouTube community. Welcome to the Skate YouTube community's favorite show. And today on Poser Series of Atlantic. Okay, that was really stupid.
You're good. Keep it up.
We got 10, not 5, not 5. 10 poser hacks for you today. What do I mean by that? Just 10 things that will make you hack into a poser.
Yeah, I'm confused. What?
Here we go. Everywhere we look, we see posers. Why is that? It's because...
What are you trying to say?
What are you doing? Sorry, it's that time of the month again. I mean, time of the week again. To where we have to pay some rent, so we're doing another poser video. Do I actually hate doing these videos? Not really.
That's the first way to poser hack. Wait, I'm so confused about the premise of this video.
Dude, it's just the title.
We're cool.
Yeah.
We gotta get a thumbnail too, though. You don't even need to film anymore if you got the title and thumbnail.
First way to poser hack. Okay, so if you want to hack into a poser or be a poser, Mongo,
Okay.
There's one. There's a poser hack.
Man, you really thought this through.
Mongo is when you push with your back foot, or no, you push with your front foot.
Make sure my shadow's out the shot.
Guided
Okay, you're
with-
good.
Back.
Are you okay? You got this, man.
This is so stupid.
No, you got this.
This is,
10 ways to poser hacks.
seems like I'm joking right now, but this is really stupid.
No, no.
I feel dumb.
No, this is poser hack. Mongo. How do you hack a Mongo?
This is what Mongo is. Okay, see now how stupid does that look? Mall grab. Why is this called a mall grab?
Wait,
Because-
what was the hack?
What?
What was the hack for the last one?
What do you mean? It was just Mongo.
Wait, Mongo, I thought Mongo was like to avoid the being poser.
No. Mongo is
You're trying to hack people into being a poser.
something. It doesn't need a direction. The next hack is mall grab.
Nice.
Mall grab is when you grab your board by the truck. And why is it called mall grab? Because posers go to the mall and shop at the mall skate shops that are, you should probably avoid, because if you don't avoid them, who knows why? I don't even really know this anymore. I'm 27 years old and I don't concern myself with sheep.
Eat
There's
some.
a cop, he's coming.
Poser alert!
What was the next thing I was gonna say?
Oh, you had one in mind, like a third one.
The next poser hack is the Primo, because everyone did the Primo on the Tony Hawk Pro Skater before they grew up. All right, open down.
Sorry. Yeah, let me make sure my shadow's out the shot.
This sucked to edit so bad. All right, the Primo.
Go ahead, man. What's the hack, though, to make it easier?
Oh, this.
What about just editing it to where you're already up on top of it?
Okay.
Hack it real quick. Whoa!
Whoa.
That was magic.
All right, the third poser hack is to be a Primo.
Gotcha. What's the fourth?
I don't really know.
Okay, we'll come up
Oh,
with it.
dark slide.
That was good, man.
This is the dark. All right, hold on.
So, what's the fifth?
Seriously, turn the camera off. I wonder if I should write these out. Oh wait, should I teach him how to be a poser or how to not?
You're like 4 into this video already.
I know.
I would just keep teaching them how to be.
You want to make sure that when you have wear on your shoes, this is number 5 by the way, when you have wear on your shoes, make sure that all the wear on your shoes is natural. You want to make sure too that you don't fake it like this. Saw some kids when I was younger do that at the skate park, and they got made fun of and beat up at school. You don't want to go to school and get beat up because...
Can you explain though, like why you wouldn't want to get beat up?
I think it would just hurt. If you're a lame kid who gets called a poser, and no one's gonna like you.
What's number 9?
Number 7 is, what's another one? I wonder how many videos I can get away with making like this until people are like, all right, this isn't funny anymore. Number 8, posers always do this. They always throw their board in the trees.
Bitch.
No, we don't mean weed. Come on. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Hand that board to me, alright? That's straight? What? Yeah, can you hand the board? Cool, man. Thanks, dude.
1 second, dude.
Alright, dude. Nice one, idiot. That was a good one. Now what's next?
Here's one. Is it just me or is Dale's mouth open 100% of the video?
Oh, that's a good poser thing to do.
Kinda hard to shop elsewhere than online when Zoomies is all you had and hopes shop couldn't complete.
Boom, perfect. Shop online, buy Zoomies, got it.
Dale is such a poser. All his skate videos are CGI. Kill me now.
Was that number 8, Zoomies?
This is the most garbage video.
No, dude. Alright, number 8, poser hack, Zoomies. Alright, now look for number 9.
I can't find it. What the fuck are you doing? Do you mind if we get some skating in this video? Just a little bit?
I don't mind. Finally. Oh god, guys. Oh wow, surprising. Oh, damn. That's my boy right there, boy. Get that show. Hell yeah, dog. That's my dog right there. Boom, baby. My freaking G. His name is Dale. His name ends with E. I saw him get stung by a bee. I can't believe I was with a girl named Bree. She's quite the skank.
Same tricks
You look so hurt.
equals same score.
Got it.
Equals high score equals
High score.
not poser. Because if you do the same tricks and you're really
High
good-
score.
All right, over here, John, please.
Sorry.
Zoomies poser thrasher.
What are we doing with our lives?
I'm losing my mind. Dale, you don't ever do any flip tricks. It's fine. It's fine. I don't care. I know
You seem like you don't care. That's like I was gonna say. This video really seems like you don't care what people
Dale,
think.
you don't do flip tricks. It's fine. Guess what? I don't care. Ignore the haters. I'll be successful one day.
Nice! But in reality, it wasn't nice. And I don't think anyone out there believed that I thought it was nice for a split second. Because on YouTube, you show a different exterior. You speak, you get hyped for no reason, even when you're genuinely not excited. Wow! What the damn.
You do the same tricks all the time. It's all you ever do. Even when you're hurt and even when you're not. Okay, well, you want to see the same tricks? You want to talk about the same? All right, here you go.
Pity, pity, guys. Oh my god.
Why would you call people who shop at Zoomies posers? Hey, idiot. I'm not. Joke's over your head. You ready?
Yeah, kinda. I don't know if I should be here for this.
Get it, but they watch one video and they're like, you've changed. Well, guess what? I have changed.
Wow.
I don't care anymore.
Maybe you shouldn't change.
I'm over it. I remember when Dale used to skate in his videos. Yeah, I've been hurt, dude. I've been hurt.
Wow, relax.
What do you expect?
Jesus Christ, dude, they're just kids. Put 10 in the title, just talk about 8 though, we're good. Number 9, beanies. Number 10, weenies. It's good.
Done anything.
I would make this video at this point in my career.
I guess don't wear Thrasher. Don't wear Zoomies. Don't push ball grab. Don't wear Thrasher if you don't skate.
That was a good one.
Hack number 10. Do the same tricks all the time. And be good at those, and everyone will be like, you're really good at skating, but you're really not. You just do the same tricks all the time. Poser 11.
Poser 11. What the hell does that mean?
Skating on roofs, big drops. Just dropping.
You look photoshopped right now, dude. Please throw the board. For a split second,
Try and get on the biggest building possible, and they want to skate off it because they want to show off to all their moms and all their friends. And
how many moms do they have?
that's not what I meant. Sorry. They want to show off to all their friends that they can skate off the biggest stuff because they're like, hey, look at me. I want attention. I'll skate off this big thing, and you can watch me. And then I'll be sick, and everyone at school will think I'm cool. Because
you look insane right now. Scratching your eyes while talking. Throw it!
skate off shit like this, the roof.
Woo! Woo! Are we good? Can I go home?
All right, thank you guys for watching. If you have any,
Oh my god!
if you have any questions or concerns about this video, or you have any input on what to do next or where to go next, any direction of all with my life, what I'm doing, help me. Leave a comment below. Also, if you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, please just leave a like too. The engagement helps me. Buy my things. I'm coming out with new slamming stuff at the end of February, beginning of March. So buy the stuff.